Data science is a buzzword in the industry and market as well. Data science is the process of examining large data sets by applying statistical methods and machine learning techniques. We are extracting meaningful, interested analytics of the given large data sets. Data sets are you can collect from various sources from retail market and NASA dataset and supermarket dataset and road traffic data analytics. Various data sets we are collecting and processing by applying various pre-processing techniques, and finally we are extracting meaningful interested patterns by integrating statistical, machine learning and deep learning techniques. Data science is a latest technology in industry. It includes 8 subjects such as Python programming, statistics, artificial intelligence, data mining, artificial neural networks, machine learning, deep learning, and various data science applications. In order to solve various data science applications, we are integrating various technologies, including with artificial intelligence, data mining, artificial neural networks, machine learning, and deep learning. So in order to implement data science applications, we need to have prerequisition concepts like any one programming language such as Python programming or R programming language or Java programming language. And you need to require one more prerequisite subject like mathematics. Mathematics includes statistics. In statistics again we are using inferential statistics and descriptive statistics. So these are the prerequisition of data science. So data science is a multidisciplinary subject. It integrates all kinds of various technologies in order to solve very kind of applications like biological database applications and electronics data prediction algorithms, and also we are solving health data analytics and NASA data applications. Everywhere we can use data science technologies. So in this data science we are solving health data analytics like COVID-19 virus prediction detection by applying machine learning and deep learning techniques. And the same way we are solving Omicron virus prediction and detection by integrating statistical, machine learning, deep learning techniques. And the same way we can predict Ebola virus, prostate cancer and lung cancer and breast cancer applications by using data science tools and techniques. We are solving numerous applications. And right now in this pandemic situation, one more virus came into the picture, that is monkeypox virus prediction and detection by using data science tools and techniques. So data science includes various tools like we are using in machine learning, deep learning tools like TensorFlow, Keras, Pandas, NumPy, Scikit-learn, and as well as Theano, PyTorch, in order to solve and predict numerous features of each application. And why we are choosing Python programming? In order to apply various frameworks available in Python programming such as XGBoost, GoogleNet, ResNet, VGGNet, in order to predict various applications. By using data science, we are not restricted to one domain. It can use in multiple domains, such as in order to find out environmental PFAs such as environmental pollutants, even water, groundwater pollutants. In order to find out, we are using machine learning approaches.